What is happening, everyone? Got another reset for you. Today we're doing the Nothing Phone 2. We already got the Nothing Phone 1 up, so you guys can see that if you're having issues with that. Now we're doing the 2. Pretty cool phone. We'll get right into this here in a second. Just so you guys know, we got a ton more stuff coming up. So if you're not following us, just drop a follow. You'll see a ton more hard resets and a ton more teardowns that we got going on. But otherwise, just remember when you guys do a hard reset on a device, you will delete all the data. So if there's anything important on the phone, you will lose that, and just keep that in mind when you're doing this. So if it's something important, you might want to think twice. But we got our volume buttons on this side, volume up and volume down. We got our power button on this side, and what we want to do for this model is you want to hold volume up and then power at the same time. I'll hold volume up first, and then I'll hit power. And when the phone turns off, you can let go of power. Just keep holding volume up. And then it gets to the no command screen. And to get out of this, you want to hold power and tap volume up. Just let go relatively quickly, because otherwise you might trigger the reboot and you'll have to start over again. So with the volume buttons, scroll down to wipe data factory reset. And then use the power button as your enter button. So we'll hit the power button. Then we'll confirm, scroll down, confirm. Now it's deleting. It's done. So now we can either reboot system or power off. We'll just hit reboot. Power button, and that's it. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Nothing Phone 2. If there's anything special you guys want to see or having trouble with, just let us know in the comments and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. We do have a ton of stuff coming up, so if there's something you're having trouble with, just let us know. We'll try to get that up for you. But otherwise, if you could like, share, comment, follow, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching.